Did you know Tahitian Noni Juice dramatically boosts your immune system? As we speak, the health of the world is in a fragile state. One of the drawbacks of this is a weaker immune system. But there are things you can do today to improve your health. One of these steps is incorporating Tahitian Noni Juice into your daily routine. The fruit itself has many health benefits. One of the biggest is its ability to help strengthen your immune system. Studies show noni leaves have more antioxidant power than green tea, and the fruit as a whole has 2 times more vitamin C than an orange. Studies conducted by the Chinese Journal of Medical Research show Tahitian Noni Juice, or TNJ, has been scientifically proven to increase immune system activity. The published study followed regular Tahitian Noni Juice drinkers who consumed 165 milliliters of TNJ derived from the entire noni fruit twice daily. Throughout the study, researchers tracked 3 key measures of immune health. The results? After 8 weeks, researchers noted significant improvements in immune health across all of these metrics. Oxidative stress can lead to elevated MDA and weaken our immune systems. The study showed MDA decreased 18%. In addition, NK cell activity increased 32%. This is an especially important finding because NK cells kill virus-infected cells in our bodies, reducing the ability of viruses to multiply and spread. Finally, IL-2, closely related to NK cells, increased 30%. Because IL-2 helps activate NK cells, it's no surprise to see these simultaneously increase. Together, these results show the immunity-boosting power of TNJ. Committing to the simple daily routine of Tahitian Noni Juice can help keep your immune system be prepared to face the health challenges of today.